Hey everyone, welcome back to Mommy Mouse Clubhouse Recipes. It's day 5 of the 12 Days of Christmas cookies, and today's cookie is one you're going to love, chocolate turtle cookies. These are soft chocolate cookies coated in chopped pecans, filled with gooey caramel and drizzled with chocolate. Basically a turtle candy in cookie form. They're rich, festive, and totally irresistible. Now let's get baking. Mixing bowl, mix together 1 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Separate bowl, beat together 1/2 cup of softened butter and 2/3 cup of sugar. Add an egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of milk, and mix until combined. Mix the dry ingredients with the butter mixture. Wrap the cookie dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour. While the dough is in the refrigerator, beat an egg white until frothy in a small bowl. Add 1 1/4 cup of chopped pecans to a separate bowl. Remove the dough from the refrigerator and unwrap the plastic. Use a 2-tablespoon cookie scoop to measure the dough and roll into a ball. Dip the dough in the egg white, then roll in the pecans. Place the cookies on a parchment paper-lined baking sheet 2 inches apart. Use the back of a 1/2 teaspoon measuring spoon to make a well in the top of the cookies. Bake at 350 degrees for 11 to 12 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow them to rest on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. While they are resting, use the back of a measuring spoon to reinforce the well you made before baking. Unwrap 14 soft caramel candies and add them to a microwave-safe bowl, as well as 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Heat the caramels and cream in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring every 30 seconds until the mixture is smooth. About 1/2 teaspoon of melted caramel to the well of each cookie. Melt 1/2 cup of chocolate chips in the microwave at 50% power, stirring every 30 seconds until melted and smooth. Add the chocolate to a Ziploc bag and snip off the end. Drizzle the melted chocolate over the cookies and allow the chocolate to cool and harden. Thank you so much for baking with me today. I hope you loved these chocolate turtle cookies. They're one of those treats that completely steal the show. The full recipe is in the description as well as a link to the printable version at mommymouseclubhouse.com. Be sure to check out my holiday cookbook also. Don't forget, this was day 5 of the 12 Days of Christmas Cookies, so be sure you're subscribed and you've turned on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's recipe. See you next time!